Okay, so we're just going to jump right into it today, guys. I'm taking my Milk of Magnesia and I'm going to just apply that all over my face. If you have oily skin, this will be the perfect primer for you. Okay, now I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline's Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. If you have big pores, then I promise this product will work wonders for you. Now I'm just going to go in with this contour palette. I'm going to be taking the red shade and I'm going to just be color correcting around my mouth and on the sides of my cheeks. Now it's time for foundation. I'm going to be mixing my two Maybelline foundations together. The first one is Maybelline's 24-Hour Foundation in the color Warm Coconut. And the other one is Maybelline's Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the color Spicy Brown. Now going in with my LA Girls Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I'm going to be using that just to highlight my face. Now going in with this HD setting powder by Ruby Kisses in the color Banana. I'm just going to be setting all the places where I put the concealer. Now going in with this MAC powder, I'm just going to be using it to bronze up my face. Now going in with my setting spray, I'm just going to be spraying that all over my face to make sure everything stays in place. Then I'm going to be taking my beauty blender and really making sure that that setting spray gets pressed into my skin. Now I'm going to apply a wing. For this look, I really wanted my wings to come out really dramatic. So you guys will see I go back and forth a lot just to get that desired look. Okay, so after I got the desired look for my wings, I'm just going to go ahead and go in and apply some lashes. Okay, so now it's time for the fun part, you guys. I'm just going to be taking this clear lip gloss by Ruby Kisses in this flat makeup brush, and I'm just going to be applying it all over my lids. So now it's time for lips. I'm just going to be taking this brown matte lipstick just to line the outskirts of my lips. Now I'm just going to go back in with that same clear lip gloss and apply that all over my lips. Then I'm going to take a brush and really blend out the liner and the lip gloss together. Then I'm just going to go in and highlight. So I am back with the final look for you guys. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that you took something from it. If you have not already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one.